I have another video for you about how to draw esters. Now, esters have a two-part naming system. It has, if you look at the name, there is a space between the two parts. In this example, we have methyl and propanoid. So propanoid is indicating that our main chain, our carboxylic acid derivative, is a 3-carbon chain, and the methyl is attached on the other side of the oxygen. Let's try it out. So we see the word methyl. We see the word methyl, and then the prop and O8, right? And as we said, methyl is a 3 carbons branch. Methyl is a 1 carbon branch. 1 carbon. Prop is 3 carbons, and AN is indicating it's an alkane component, and O8 is for the ester, right? So that's the ester family. Ester family. In other words, it will have a carbon double bonded to the oxygen and single bonded to the oxygen somewhere in the chain. So let's try it out. So we are going to draw it like a carboxylic acid first. So C1, 2, 3, and we will put our double bonded to the O and single bond to the O. So that is the propanoid component, and then we have a methyl which is attached on the other side, so CH3. And that is why there is a space between the first part of the name and the second part. The first part, in this case, before the main chain, is indicating what is on the other side of the molecule. Once we have that, now we can fill all the carbons with hydrogens. We have 1, 2, 3 hydrogens here, 1, 2 on this one, and the last carbon over here will not get any hydrogens because it already has 4 bonds. Now, one thing to remember when you are naming things in this compound, you have to be careful which one is carbon number 1. So in this case, again, because it's a carboxylic acid derivative, this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So if any branches are attached to the molecule, you have to make sure you are numbering it and providing the location accurately. That was methyl propanoid. I have another one over here for you, which is ethyl methanoid. So let's switch pens here again. So ethyl methanoid, ethyl is a 2-carbon branch, so that is a 2-carbon branch. Meth is a single carbon, 1 carbon. AN, the single bonds. O8 is the ester family. Ester family. In other words, we'll have carbon double bonded to the oxygen and single bond to the oxygen in the molecule. So since it's a methanoid, it is a 1-carbon molecule here. 1 carbon methanoid ester over here, 0 or O, and we will have an H on this side. And the other side, we have an ethyl group. Ethyl group would be CH2, CH3. And this would be a ethyl methanoid. So the methanoid is the component that is coming from the carboxylic acid, and ethyl is a component which is coming from an alcohol, because an ester is produced when we have an alcohol reacting with a carboxylic acid. All right, I hope you liked this lesson and you were able to grasp the concept of how to draw esters. If you like the channel, if you like the examples, please post a comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.